Picture this. It's a scorching hot day, and you're craving a refreshing, smooth coffee. What if I told you that you could make a delicious cold brew coffee right at home with just a few simple ingredients? Let's dive into the world of cold brew coffee. Cold brew coffee is loved for its smooth taste and low acidity, making it a perfect beverage to enjoy any time of the day. Plus, it's incredibly easy to make. Here's how you can whip up your own cold brew coffee at home. First, gather your materials: coarsely ground coffee, water, a large jar or pitcher, a fine mesh sieve or coffee filter, and a spoon. Make sure you have everything ready to go. Next, measure out your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of coarsely ground coffee and 4 cups of water. Scoop and level the coffee grounds to ensure accuracy. Now it's time to mix. Add the coffee grounds to your jar or pitcher, then pour in the water. Stir gently to make sure all the coffee grounds are fully saturated. The key to great cold brew is the steeping process. Place your mixture in the refrigerator and let it steep for 12 to 24 hours. This slow extraction process brings out the rich flavors without the bitterness. After steeping, it's time to filter. Using a fine mesh sieve or coffee filter, strain the cold brew concentrate into another jar or pitcher, leaving the coffee grounds behind. Finally, let's serve. Dilute your cold brew with water or milk, add ice and maybe a splash of syrup or sprinkle of spices for added flavor. Enjoy the refreshing, smooth taste of your homemade cold brew coffee. Now sit back, relax, and savor every sip of this delightful, easy-to-make drink.